Hello, Kim Townsel here. Today I will review the chocolate proteins that I normally put into a mocha shake that I have sometimes mid-morning, sometimes in the afternoon, and I have several different ways that I make those. But I'll look at the Champ 1 chocolate protein made by Swinney Nutrition and the EAS chocolate protein made by Abbott Nutrition. Abbott Nutrition's EAS 100% whey protein powder, the chocolate flavor is reviewed. It provides 26 grams of protein for 150 calories. The container contains about 23 servings per container. A serving size is 2 scoops. There's the ingredient list. And there's some more instructions about how to prepare the chocolate powder. It provides 2 grams of fat and 7 grams of carbohydrates, and as I said, 26 grams of protein. The EAS contains some BCAAs. There's the information listing that. I purchased the container for $19.99, which comes out to be about 87 cents per serving. Again, 2 scoops gives you 26 grams of protein and about 150 calories. It's nicely sealed up with the scoop on the top, which is a nice touch, Abbott. And that's the EAS 100% whey. The Swinney Nutrition Champro Formula 1 Rich Chocolate is what's going up against the EAS. There is the ingredient list. The Swinney Nutrition lasts about 1 month. It has no fat and 4 grams of carbs. It provides about 100 calories per serving. 1 serving is 2 scoops and gives you 23 grams of protein. It's made by Swinney Nutrition in Alabama, and that's Swinney Nutrition Champro Formula. I forgot to talk about the price. It's $49.95 per package on their website, which comes out to be $1.67 per serving. On a side-by-side, you can see that the EAS on the left is much paler in color. The Swinney is much darker, much more of a fine powder. What I normally do with the chocolate protein powders is to make a shake that I drink either in the morning or in the afternoon, depending on what my day looks like. This is what the EAS looks like in my old shaker. It mixed up okay. It took it a little while to dissolve, but sometimes that's an issue if you don't have the proper top shaker container. Anyway, the flavor on it was just not very good. I did not look forward to the chocolate shakes by EAS. I also mixed the chocolate powders with a little bit of water and some strawberries. I've also mixed them with a little bit of water and mixed them with some walnuts to have them for snacks. I also tested both for my chocolate oatmeal, which is using 1/8 of a cup of oatmeal, adding 1 scoop of the protein powder, and then adding about 1/4 to 1/8 cup of walnut, depending on my calorie count that I need. Adding just enough warm water to mix that together, and what it makes is something like a little bit of chocolate oatmeal or a little chocolate cookie, depending on how much water you add to it. When I used the Champ 1, I ended up with that yield for that particular bowl, and I'll walk you through what I did with EAS using a similar or same formula. 1/8 cup of oatmeal, 1 scoop of the EAS, and adding in my nuts, and adding in my water. The Swinney chocolate has an excellent flavor. It made a shake that I really look forward to having every day. It tastes like Nestle's Quick, to be honest. The EAS is so bland that I just really didn't even want to have a shake each day. So which one won for me? The Champro Formula 1 rich chocolate flavor is the clear winner. I've tasted some other chocolate protein powders, and I haven't had one yet that beats the Champro Formula 1 for the flavor. The EAS is just so mild that it doesn't really provide anything to look forward to. The Swinney is just really, really, really tasty. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave your comments below. What chocolate proteins do you prefer? I'm always on the quest for improving my nutrition and my physical gains, as well as trying to keep the cost in my budget the best that I can. I hope that you will look at my other videos that I have for the protein supplements, and I have them organized in a playlist so you can find them easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.